Hello and namaste everyone. As we all know, India's love for apple is ever growing. It's not just a winter fruit anymore, we consume it throughout the year. जी हाँ, जिसकी वजह से हम काफ़ी तरह के एप्पल्स आजकल इंपोर्ट करने लगे हैं. उनमें एक नाम बहुत फेमस है जिसका नाम है Washington apple. I'm sure you must be thinking this is one fruit you consume almost every day. लेकिन फिर भी हमारे दिमाग में Washington apple से जुड़े हुए कई सवाल आते हैं. And we are very lucky to have Washington apple commission से और Washington apple growers हमारे साथ आज जुड़े हुए हैं जो कि आपके इन सवालों का जवाब देंगे. Let's meet all of them.
Hi, my name is Todd Freihofer. I'm the president of the Washington Apple Commission.
My name is Lindsay Huber, and I'm the International Marketing Specialist at the Washington Apple Commission.
My name is Lindsay Morrison, and I'm a horticulturist with Stamilk Growers.
My name is James Foreman, and I'm an apple grower from Wenatchee, Washington.
My name is Carla Robison, and together with my husband, we grow apples in the center of Washington State.
My name is Dave Robison, and I'm an apple grower with Carla in Washington.
Hi, मेरा नाम सुमित सरन है. हमारी कंपनी SS Associates represents Washington Apple Commission in India और हमारा रोल है इंडियन कंज्यूमर्स तक ये फ्रूट जो वाशिंगटन स्टेट से आता है पहुंचाने का.
A very warm welcome to all of you. Let's start with our question and answer round. Could you please tell us more about Washington Apple Commission and Washington apples?
Sure. The Washington Apple Commission's primary purpose is to promote Washington apples in foreign countries to build demand. And the Washington Apple Commission does this through many promotional activities through 25 different markets around the world.
That's a wide market. That's a very wide market. My next question is for Mr. David. Mr. David, being an integral part of growing process, what in your opinion makes Washington apple special and what kind of apples do you grow?
It's our weather in Washington State that makes our apples special. We actually live in a desert. Our trees are grown in a desert, but that desert has rivers and lakes, so we use irrigation water to keep the trees alive. During the day, we have bright sunny days and hot days, and yet at night, like most deserts, it cools off a lot. So all the energy that we soak into the tree during the day goes into the fruit at night, resulting in a real dessert quality apple. My wife and I grow Reds, Galas, Fujis, Goldens, Granny Smith, and Honeycrisp apples.
Thank you so very much for your answer. Mr. James, what do you think? What is the difference between the apple which is grown in Washington and in the other origins?
Well, I think it starts with our soil. We have beautiful soil that came from volcanoes that erupted tens of thousands of years ago. We have beautiful, clean sources of water that come from snow in the mountains. And then we also have been growing apples in Washington State for nearly 100 years. So we have the science and the technology to learn how to store apples and how to package them and take care of them safely.
Wow, that's fantastic. My next question is for the female in this panel. Actually, जैसा हम सभी जानते हैं जो इंडियन फार्मिंग इंडस्ट्री है वो मेल डोमिनेटेड इंडस्ट्री है, लेकिन आज हमारे साथ फीमेल फार्मर्स भी हैं. I would like to know from you, Carla and Lindsay, how does it feel like to be a female farmer and what is the role of a female farmer in this industry?
Yes, it is thought of as basically male dominated, but in actuality in Washington State, many of the farms, in fact most of the farms, are family growing operations. Women play a very active role in growing the fruit in our businesses, whether it's with books or out on the tractor or checking the quality of the fruit. We're very active.
Women are an integral part of the Washington fruit industry from the orchard level all the way through the warehouse level. They're involved in growing, and I myself am a horticulturist, and they also are involved in sales and marketing. So I would say all aspects of the industry in Washington have women involvement.
I am already feeling quite empowered. मुझे लगता है घर पर बैठी हुई सारी महिलाएं जो हैं उनको भी काफ़ी empowering feel हो रहा होगा. What do you think? How actually Indian market is important for you?
The Indian market is very important for us. In Washington State, we produce approximately 4 million metric tons of fruit. 1.2 million metric tons go to over 60 countries around the world. In 2017, India was the #2 market for Washington apples and took our largest variety, which was Red Delicious.
Wow, that's fantastic. Okay, I'm asking my next question to you, Lindsay. How are you planning to promote Washington apples in India?
We do activities on both the trade side and the consumer side of the market. On the trade side, we will do things like have our merchandisers go into the wholesale market and put out point of sale material. We also do a number of activities on the consumer side, such as in-store demos, billboards, print advertising, digital advertising, social media. We feel that the best way to get a consumer to purchase a Washington apple is to actually try the apple. So we will do a lot of that in-store demo, thinking if we get the apple into their hands and into their mouths, they'll try it, they'll like it, they'll buy it, and they'll come back.
Thank you very much, Lindsay. My next question is for James. James, what is the supply chain for these apples?
So the supply chain is a very important part of ensuring that we can deliver great quality apples all the way here in India. We are proud to have one of the safest food products in the world, and it starts with how we harvest our fruit and keep track of it through the warehouse. We keep it cold. We monitor the temperatures throughout the cold chain as we package them and store them and ship them on ocean containers all the way here to India. And as soon as all the fruit arrives here, it is sampled again and inspected by several different departments. And that is how we ensure that we deliver a consistent and quality, safe product here.
All right, thank you very much. Sumit, I have a very concerned question with you. First of all, why Washington apples? And secondary, क्या अगर हम इतनी बड़ी मात्रा में वॉशिंगटन एप्पल्स को इंपोर्ट करेंगे तो जो हमारे इंडियन फार्मर्स हैं उनके लिए वो हार्मफुल नहीं होगा?
एक्चुअली बिल्कुल नहीं। मेरा मानना है कि जब से इंपोर्ट शुरू हुआ है और जब से ओरिजिन जैसे वॉशिंगटन इंडिया में आ रहा है, it's actually benefiting Indian farmers. Today you see Indian apples much better graded, sorted, packed. In fact, even the price for Indian apples has risen. Washington as an industry is very conscious of Indian farmers. Our markets peak between March and July and August when Indian apples are not in season. So what we are doing really is providing Indian consumers choices for good, safe, trustworthy quality of apples year round.
I have another question for you, Sumit. We are very much concerned about the wax on the apples. Is it safe for the human body?
एक्चुअली आई एम वेरी ग्लैड कि आपने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा। बहुत सारे मिसनोमर्स हैं, बहुत सारी मिथ्स हैं वैक्स के ऊपर। एप्पल को वैक्स मदर नेचर ने दिया है। अगर आप कोई भी एप्पल पेड़ से तोड़ेंगे और उसको क्रिकेट बॉल जैसा शाइन कर लेंगे, वो एप्पल चमक जाएगा। वो चमकेगा इसलिए बिकॉज मदर नेचर गेव एप्पल अ लस्टर, अ कोटिंग दैट वाज प्रोवाइडेड. What happens from origins like Washington is that because the apples go through a rigorous process of cleaning, grading and sorting, in that cleaning when the apples are put through very high pressure water to remove field dirt and other things, wax also gets washed. उस wax को substitute करने के लिए edible wax का एक drop और एक drop से भी actually कम उस पर डाला जाता है. ये जो wax है ये plant based source से आता है. ये वैक्स जो है उसको दोनों यूएस की एफडीए और इंडिया की एफएसएसएआई अप्रूव करती है. एक्चुअली लोगों को नहीं पता होगा लेकिन कोई भी फूड जो चमकता है उस पर वैक्स होता है. तो जैसे आप कोई कैंडी खाते हैं, कोई चॉकलेट खाते हैं, कोई कैप्सूल खाते हैं, लेडीज़ जो लिपस्टिक लगाती हैं, सब पे वैक्स होता है. एवरेज कंज्यूमर को लगता है कि कैंडल वैक्स चला गया है. A food grade edible wax is a very common ingredient in the food industry.
Thank you so very much, Sumit, for busting this myth. I would like to know Lindsay's take on it.
Yes, like many fruits and vegetables, apples have a natural wax on them which can be removed in the packing process. It is then replaced with a very small amount of a natural food grade coating which is used and consumed every day in chocolate, pharmaceuticals, and many pastry products. It is very safe for everyone to consume.
Thank you. Sumit, I have another small question with you. I'm actually not going to leave you just like that. Tell me one small thing, that how do you see the growth of Washington apples in India?
मेरे हिसाब से अभी तो जस्ट शुरुआत है. इंडिया मार्केट ओपनड इन 2000-2001. पहले साल जब ये मार्केट खुली 4000 डब्बे 20 किलो के इंडिया आए. 2019 में 8 मिलियन बॉक्सेस ऑफ एप्पल हैव कम फ्रॉम वाशिंगटन. और इसका रीज़न ये है कि ये जो नई जनरेशन है, ये जो मिलेनियल्स हैं, ये जो नए बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं, दे आर फार मोर कॉन्शियस अबाउट the role that fruits play in everyday meal. People are not just wanting to look at healthy and nutritious. There is also another thing that we are seeing is the need for traceability. People would like to know what is the origin. Is the product that they are consuming safe or not? And Washington, and we are lucky to be representing that industry, ticks all that boxes. It's one of the safest product. It's very healthy, very nutritious. एक चीज़ आपको और बताता हूँ, अमेरिका में कोई एक्सपोर्ट स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है. ये वही एप्पल जो इंडियन कंज्यूमर्स को अवेलेबल है इज़ एग्जैक्टली द सेम एप्पल दैट इज़ अवेलेबल टू द अमेरिकन कस्टमर. और अमेरिका का जो क्वालिटी पैरामीटर्स है वो दुनिया के बहुत जगह के क्वालिटी पैरामीटर से ऊपर है. तो उस मापदंड का एप्पल, वॉशिंगटन एप्पल हमारे मार्केट में हमारे कंज्यूमर्स को है. और मैं देखता हूँ कि पहले शुरुआत में ये 4-5 बड़े शहरों में बिकता था, धीरे धीरे टियर 1 में गया, आज टियर 2 और टियर 3 सिटीज़ में पहुंच गया है, बिकॉज इंडियन कंज्यूमर्स रेडी है इस प्रोडक्ट को अपनाने के लिए.
थैंक यू सो वेरी मच एवरीवन फॉर सच फ्रूटफुल डिस्कशन. आई एम श्योर कि आप सभी को भी वॉशिंगटन एप्पल से रिलेटेड आपके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मिल ही गए होंगे. फॉर सच इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस कीप वॉचिंग फिट तक. थैंक यू.